Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm driving from Ibeku in Umuahia. Umuahia is the capital of Abia State. So I'm driving from Ibeku Umuahia to Bende local government area. Ibeku shares a common boundary with Bende local government. When you drive from Bende Road in Umuahia, you just keep going down. You are going to get to Bende local government. So guys, come with me as I show you around Ibeku, some part of Ibeku like Ajata Ibeku and then Bende local government area. If the first time you're tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So you can see how the road is, in October 2025, and both sides of the road you'll be seeing bushes and farms. In this video you're going to be seeing a lot of rice farms. We're going to also pass a bridge. I don't know the name of the bridge, but maybe if you're from this part of Bende or Ibeku, you might be able to tell us in the comment section the name of the bridge. The road here, if you're driving from Bende Road in Umuahia and you're going to Bende local government, there are some parts of the road that are, some part of the road that is, let's say, danger and rough because of how the road curved and the ditch. There's a ditch, just very close to the road. So if you're driving along this road, if you're traveling from Umuahia to Bende local government and you're driving through Bende Road, Umuahia, you have to be very careful so you don't fall into the ditch. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So in Bende local government, I saw some houses looking just like mud houses or some little houses beside the road made with wood, and I was like, are these farmers? Because I know that the people of Bende, they are good in farming, but I was confused. I was like, are these farmers or these like the houses along the road that I saw, like people, these are people's houses? I don't know. Ben, the local government is the local government of the sixth man in Nigeria, the deputy house of rep, federal house of rep, in Abuja. The deputy speaker, he's from Bende local government. I have a lot of friends from Bende local government, so shout out to my friends from Bende. So I was in your village. I don't know the part of Bende local government that I drove through, the name of the villages I passed in the course of this journey. But if I passed your village, you can tell me in the comment section. And if I also passed your area in Ibeku, you can also as well tell me in the comment section. This road also leads to Arochukwu. If you keep going down, it's going to take you to Arochukwu local government area, which I visited on the day I made this video, and I posted a video of Omenoko Bridge, and I'm still going to post other videos I made in Arochukwu. So stay tuned here on my channel as I have a lot of interesting videos for you.